click the search button at the bottom of the screen and type reset. And now from the search results, select reset this PC. Alright, so now this will take you to Windows 11's recovery settings. As you can see on top, it says to fix problems without resetting your PC. You may want to consider that, but if you are determined to reset your PC to make things brand new again, to get a fresh start, go ahead and click reset this PC under recovery options. Great, so now you are almost done. You are now going to get two options. You can choose to keep your files, or you can choose to remove everything. Okay, so which one should you choose? It depends on your preferences, but regardless of the option you choose, your PC will feel like brand new again, like a fresh start. But if you want to keep your files, you should choose the keep my files option. Now remember that this option, it keeps your files, but it removes your apps. For example, if you had Microsoft Word, it would remove Microsoft Word, but it would keep the Word documents, which are your files. Again, if you had Photoshop, it would remove Photoshop, but it would keep the pictures that you edited. The pictures are the files, Photoshop is the app. Alright, so in my case, I'm going to choose keep my files. And now you will get two more options. And now this gets pretty interesting. You can do a cloud download, or you can do a local reinstall. The cloud download feature is probably the best option because it gets the latest files for you from Microsoft. And if you have a fast internet connection, it may be even faster than a local reinstall. But if you don't have an internet connection, go ahead and choose the second option. Either one will work really well in most cases. And that's it. At this point, you are basically all done. As you can see, it is very simple to reset Windows 11 to factory settings. And of course, if you have any questions, please feel free to share them in the comment section. For more videos like this that are simple and straight to the point, please subscribe, and thanks for watching.